Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Lexus NX 300 wiper blades. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and parked securely. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm. Hold the wiper arm firmly during this step. It's crucial to prevent the metal arm from accidentally springing back and potentially damaging your windshield. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade up the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Double-check that they are seated properly. Finally, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to activate the new wipers. Observe their performance to ensure they make even contact across the entire windshield and clear water effectively. If everything looks good, you're all set. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.